so. Oh yeah, I gotta cut the face too. What?
Look at the fry. Get in there, man.
She said.
Hey.
She being Quentin's mom.
Are you seriously gonna be eating hot fries behind the camera?
Sure not.
Oh wait, we need to switch tapes.
Dream on, dream on, dream on, yeah.
Go.
Suelta fuertecito y...
Damn it, I don't think I got all of it.
It's hilarious.